geometric concept of area is the two-dimensional space that is occupied by a particular object, a planar object. So when I think of pencils, this would be the amount of pencil that it takes to shade a particular object. How much area is it taking up in total is how much it takes to shade the object all the way through. So let's try a couple examples here. First of all, for the area of a rectangle, if you prefer to memorize formulas, the formula for the area of a rectangle is area equals length times width. So you just multiply the length times the width. So in this particular shape here, we have a length of 13 and a width of 8. So our area in this problem would become the length, which is 13, multiplied by the width, which is 8. 13 times 8, let's see, that's 80 and 24. So it looks like we're getting a total of 104. And notice that the units are meters times meters. So we get what are called square meters, or meters squared. So the area of that rectangle, 8 times 13, would be 104 square meters. So pause the video for a second and see if you can find the area of the square that is located right here. Hint, you can think of it as a rectangle, or you might even know a different formula from geometry. So assuming you've paused for a second and thought about this, the formula from geometry that you might recall is that the area of a square is just equal to the side length squared. This is kind of the motivation for calling this squaring. So if we look at this shape, we have that the side length is 26, so the area would be 26 squared. 26 squared is 676, and since you have two dimensions of meters, you have square meters as your answer, or the units on your answer. So the final answer to this problem would be 676 square meters.